Ayan po, tapos na pong naluto ang ating adobong tahong. Ayan, yan po ang aming pong pangtanghalian ngayon. Hindi ko na po na-video kung paano ito ang ginawa or yung proseso. Pero madali lang naman, ang kanya lang pong ingredients, sibuyas, bawang, paminta, butter, oyster sauce, siling green, yun lang po, paghalo-haloin. So, ayan na. Ayan. So, ang lalaki po ng ating tahong. Masarap.
Waiting for some easy food to come by. And as soon as he saw Little
sarap nga.
Red Riding Hood,
Ang sarap.
he realized she would make a tasty
So,
meal.
simple lang po. Yung proseso.
The wolf
Oo, maraming bawang to.
Gosh,
Kaya masarap.
Little Red Riding Hood
Ayan,
remembered
kain na
the
po tayo.
second golden rule?